Hello there YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. Bit of housekeeping before we get started. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and click the like button and press the notification bell if you want to know when new videos are coming. It's really appreciated. So I'm excited. I've got a new toy. I've been wanting one of these for ages. You probably have seen it by the thumbnail, so you know what I've gone and bought. A first time user is a Karcher pressure washer, a K5 compact Karcher pressure washer. I've had an old cheap one which I got it out. I'm going to do some decking and cleaning, which I'm going to show. I'm going to show this beast in action. Yeah, it just wasn't doing it for whatever reason. It's got even worse. It's a pressure washer that's hardly got any pressure. That's not very good then, is it? It's not a pressure washer then, is it? It's just water coming out of a hose. That's not gonna work. So we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna open this up. It's a bit of an unboxing and a bit of a first time user. I know there's plenty of people have got them and plenty of people swear by them. I know, I've always desired one for quite a while. So let's open it up and have a look. And there it is. Look at that, Karcher K5 Compact. I've got a nice bit of kit. Let's have a look around this side. What does it say about it? Let's have a look at that. Right, there we go. Area efficiency, no idea what that is about. Pressure, well, yeah, okay, 145. I think some of the Karchers got to about 180 bar pressure. I don't really understand what bar is. I'm sure somebody out there will tell me, but there you go, water flow rate and power rating. So lots of things it can be used for. This is a K5. There's a K2, 3, 4, 5 and K7. And I got this for a bargain price. I've just been down to Tool Station on this morning and I've got it for £198. That's brilliant. It was a £70 saving. £198. Normally £268 for this one. I got it for £198. That's not bad. Right, we're going to open her up. Little Stanley knife just to cut her open. Oh, what have we got in here? What have we got in here? Endless possibilities with the right accessories. Karcher. That shows all the uses. There's a nice little picture pamphlet, brochure to show what I can use it for. And I'm going to use it for decking and I'm going to use it for stone. So yeah, let's see. There's loads of attachments, isn't there? I've only got the basic. Oh no, I haven't. What have I got? Oh no, I have. Yeah. I'm getting overexcited there. I've just got the. I haven't got some of the attachments. Nice little welcome in various countries, various languages. Sorry. Let's just show you into the box. There we go. Nicely, nice and new. What can I say? Look at that. That looks nice. Little nozzle there. We're going to take some of these things out. What we got? We've got a handle here. I think that's the handle, I reckon, and that's to connect the hose. I can recognize that because I've got that's the clip-on bit that goes onto the hose. So we're going to take that out. That's falling all over the place. Let's find a space for that. Lots of bits of attachments. Lots of nozzles. Very nice. Yep. That's the main. Okay. So we got these two for this one. They've got different nozzles, different jets, I assume. We've got some, I can register it. And we've got some destructions. There we go, we'll have a look at them, maybe. We've got some destructions. And here it is. Nice long hose. Let's get all this out. And a nice pressure washer. So there's all the bits that come with it. As I say, we've got the jet, the nozzles. That's the, I'm calling that the gun. I don't know, what's that called? The handle. It controls it. Don't actually know what the official name for that is. Nice hose. I don't know how long the hose is yet. I'll have to look at that. And we've got this, and there we have it. And you can see how that goes. Let's just look around here for all the connections. Here we go, around this side. There we go. We've got, that's for your cleaning fluid, I believe. I've got some. And that will be for your hose. I can see that. That's the hose. And that's for your cleaning fluid, I believe. So we're going to work that out. Right, there we have it. It's an 8-meter hose, and it is a gun. It's a gun with a quick connect, Vario power lance is what that's saying, and a dirt blaster plus 100% power. I think I'm going to go for the more power. What do you reckon? More power, 100% more power. That's what we want, don't we? When I want to destroy the dirt. And as I said there, that's for the detergent sucker, or you can put it in. Quick connect, convenient hose storage, telescopic handle, which is there, which I'm going to install now and take it outside. But I want more power. We want more power, don't we? That's what we want. Let's try it. Let's see how this gets on. Right, I'm doing the classic, having a go, and I'm not reading the instructions. I've got the wife sitting watching me. I'm not going to show you where the wife is, but she's watching and saying, why don't you read the instructions? Right, we've got these little things. Now, I want the more power, don't I? I just said I want more power. So, I'm assuming that clips in there, does it? Oh, does it turn? It turns. Right, here we go. You can turn that. That's quite neat, that is. Look at that. So you can get this end nozzle. This is the more power one, 100%, which is what we want. So you just put it in. No, wrong way around. There we go. Clip. And it clips in. Nice and simple. So that's easy, isn't it? So that's that adjusted. And there's me gun with me 100% more power jet. Right, let's just open these little bits. We've got the 8-meter hose. Now we've got these little end things. They need to come off. Yes, they do. They're just protecting it. Okay. I did a minute ago try to put that in with that on. I'm thinking, well, how does that connect? Anyone would think that I know what I'm doing. Not in one of these. Right, we'll insert that. How does that insert? Good question. Right, I've just connected the hose to the handle, the gun, and I just needed to press a bit harder. I was pushing it in and it wasn't, but I just wasn't meeting the connection point. So quite straightforward, really. Who needs instructions? And then we will, let's get this one in here. That looks like it goes in there. The wife is laughing at me. The wife is laughing at me.
You need the music in the back.
Hey, there it goes. It's in. It's in. I couldn't get it in the hole. I couldn't get me thing in the hole. Is that a euphemism? I'm not quite sure. Right. We have contact. Houston, we have contact. There we go. Right. I've got an 8-meter hose, so that's going to be, that's long, isn't it? That's a good reach. I don't know how long the extension lead is. That's probably about 3 or 4 meters, probably. I can see the hose connects onto there, so we are getting there. We are making contact. In theory, it's idiot proof, but when you've got an idiot in charge. Right, let's go to the next bit. So just installing the handle. There we go, that's quite nice. And goes down. Yep, that locks in. So that was easy. And we attached the hose there. So, right, I'm going to pick the dirtiest bit of decking. Lots and lots of slime and moss and winter growth. And I'm going to first time see, so we're going to experience it. My experience anyway. You guys out there probably had Karchers for years. So this is this. We're going to see how that blasts off. I've got no detergent on it at the minute, but we will get to the detergent bit in a minute. I'm just going to see what the pressure's like. Let's see what it does. So we're going to just look at that first time. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Oh my word. Is that... Wow. It's so good, it's stripping the wood. So there you can see, I've just literally put that down, and in seconds that's taken off that moss, which I was expecting it to do, to be honest. But look at that, and it's actually taking the wood out. So I've actually got to come back a little bit. There is so much pressure, that's unbelievable. So I've got to work that out. I've got to work out what pressure, otherwise I'm going to destroy my decking. Good grief, that's powerful. Right, we'll work that out in a minute. Okay, what I've immediately discovered is typical, isn't it? I went for more power. I wanted bigger, stronger, faster. Actually, this one, which is less power, is better for decking. So, you've got, you can twist it there. You can see you can go hard or soft. So this one is just too powerful on the decking. So I'm going to show you what this one is. I've just attached this one, had a quick little go, and yes, this is better for decking. What I need to do is install or add the detergent, but unfortunately I've got some detergent cleaner which comes with, you could buy separately for stone, for the patio. They didn't have any in stock for wood, so I'm just simply jet washing at the minute. But I might see if the stone one works on wood, but I might be wrong. So anyway, let's just show you this. Right, that's soft. So let's bring it around to half. There we go. As you can see, that is a lot kinder, although it's not quite, whereas with the powerful one it's almost stripping the wood. So I might do it for the really stubborn bits, just to get in some really hard bits of grime. I can get it, but to keep the decking intact, what I need to do is do it with that, and obviously put some cleaner on, because that will certainly help. Whether the stone one will work on the wood, no idea, probably not. But there you go. That's a bit of a discovery that for decking, generally, the other one is just too powerful. So the other one is, where have I put it? Oh, it's over there with the old. There we go. We've got the two nozzles. So that one is better for decking. This one, I would imagine, with the, well, it would be fine on the stone. Maybe some really stubborn stuff, you could get it, but it's just too powerful. And that's only 145 bar, let alone what you would be like if you had the 180 bar one, the Karcher K5. Anyway, this is the 5. Very happy. So that's an unboxing of a Karcher K5 and a straight out of the box first time use. Maybe that's been useful. Just a bit of just working out how it works. And I did it without reading the instructions. I know there'll be comments. You should read the instructions. But anyway, that's where we've got to. I'm gonna now get on with actually jet washing and actually doing the actual job. Hopefully that's been helpful for you. A Karcher K5 unboxing and first time straight out of the box use. So thanks for watching. Go and check out lots of other videos. There's lots of stuff on here. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care everybody. Bye.